Hi, this is Ty. Today I am going to show you how to create a realistic t-shirt mock-up. First, we need to prepare the material. Open your browser and search for Texture Lab. On the site, search for t-shirt to find mock-up assets. Choose a t-shirt mock-up that fits your style and download it. Open the downloaded mock-up in Photoshop. Then drag and drop your design image into the canvas. Use the Move tool shortcut key V to place it wherever you like. Now I will explain the process for a white t-shirt. Select your design layer and change the blending mode to multiply. You can find the blending mode option at the top of the layers panel. Next, double-click on the right side of the design layer to open the layer style window. Look at the section called Blend If near the bottom. Move the white slider on the lower bar to the left so the wrinkles and shadows of the t-shirt start blending into your design. For finer control, hold the Option key or Alt key and split the slider while dragging. This allows you to blend the texture more naturally. Now the white t-shirt is complete. Next, I will explain the process for a black t-shirt. Select your design layer and change the blending mode to Screen. Then double-click on the layer again to open the Layer Style window. In the Blend If section, move the black slider on the lower bar to the right so only the shadow areas remain visible and the design blends into the fabric texture. Again, hold the Option key or Alt key to split the slider and fine-tune the result. This will give you a more natural finish on the black t-shirt. And with that, design is complete. How was it? Pretty easy, right? Subscribe for more creative tutorials. You'll find me on Instagram and TikTok, and my posters are available for purchase too. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next week.